This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix cannot delete or uninstall apps on iPhone. So if you're trying to delete some apps but you can't delete it, follow these solutions to fix this issue. Go to your settings, tap on screen time. Make sure to enable screen time, then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on deleting apps. Select allow. Tap on back. Tap on content restrictions. Tap on app clips. Select allow. And then you will be able to delete apps. And the second solution is uninstall apps from iPhone settings. So open your iPhone settings and tap on General, iPhone Storage. Search for the app you want to uninstall. Tap on Delete App, and that's how we can do it. So follow these 2 steps to fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.